Hey y'all, so today I'm making these really cute and super easy appetizers. We're going to take some puff pastry and roll it out and go ahead and just cut it down the middle, just lengthwise, not the short way, but the long way. And then get your favorite sausage. I'm using maple flavored sausage here, but you can use sage or any of the spicy ones if you want to use that. And split it in half and then put them in each of these puff pastry sheets. It's really easy, y'all, and it's so tasty. I can't wait to make these and take it to my friend's party that I'm going to tomorrow. I'm just going to go ahead and make these so that they're ready to go tomorrow when I go. But yeah, it's just super easy. You're just going to take the sausage and just kind of put it in the middle and then take the puff pastry and kind of seal it on both sides. And then I've just got a little bit of an egg wash that I'm going to be using a little bit later, but it's a good glue to kind of keep these together so they don't split wide open when you put them in the oven. This is like the easiest appetizer. It's also a really good kind of like game day snack for like a watch party. I don't know if you're watching football this season. Football and baseball are probably like my favorite sports. So this is like my favorite season and it's like the perfect snack for like watch parties. So yeah, go ahead and close these up. And yeah, go ahead and just like pinch them. The egg wash will kind of moisten them a little bit too, so it'll make it a little bit easier to kind of pinch them all together. And once you've got them pinched, you don't necessarily need to pinch the ends, but you're going to go ahead and just cut these with a really sharp knife. You don't really want to use a dull knife for this because then the puff pastry gets all mushed up. And this is the other reason you don't necessarily need to close up the ends of these pastries, because as you cut them, you're going to see the sausage inside. These are so tasty, but they're also so pretty. So they look super fancy, but it really only took 2 ingredients and a knife and a baking sheet. So yeah, impress your friends with this super fancy looking appetizer that is tasty and delicious and pretty to look at. So once you've got these cut up, we are going to transfer these over to a baking sheet with some parchment paper and see how you can see like the sausage on the side. It's going to be so pretty. So go ahead and arrange these out on a piece of parchment paper and hopefully you can fit them all in. I'm not including the ends. The ends I'm going to kind of bake on my own, and those would be like, chef snacks, which I think are also super important to make a little bit of a treat for yourself while you're making appetizers for parties. So yeah. And once you've got all of that ready, just take that egg wash that I was using earlier as a glue. It's just 1 egg and just like a tablespoon of water, not a whole lot. If it gets too watery, then it doesn't really work as like this kind of like shiny coating that you get on the puff pastry when you take it out of the oven. So you definitely want to use like just a little bit of water just to thin it out. Do you guys have like watch day appetizers or, movie snacks that you like to make? Let me know in the comments. Like these are super easy. I love making like lots of appetizers for parties and things like that rather than like one big dish. Although those are fun too, but I don't know. I think appetizers are a lot more fun because you can just pop them in your mouth. So yeah, once you're getting close to finishing up putting the egg wash on the last puff pastry sausage bite, we are going to just pop these into the freezer for about 10 minutes. Not a long time, but just 10 minutes. And if you do it that way, then these puff up beautifully just like that. And I've got some ketchup, mayo, barbecue sauce, sour cream, whole grain mustard, and some honey so everybody can dip in and enjoy.